Welcome back to Bakes Foods. Today, we're making an authentic traditional Mexican soup, Pozole Blanco. This soup uses white hominy and savory pork. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and let us know what you think below.
I'm doing an authentic Mexican pozole with hominy, pig's feet, we got our pork, and all the fixings. It's gonna be good. First things first, we're gonna open up our pig feet, we're gonna dump them in the pan, get them ready to boil.
That's a pot. That's not a pan, that's like a kettle.
Then we're gonna cut up our pork, we're gonna throw that in there, and we're gonna get it boiling. Cover that with water and get it boiling. We got our secret Mexican ingredient that we have to add. Sorry, no telling. So we got our pig's feet and we've got our pork in here. We're gonna get it boiling. I put the onion in there and I put a little bit of the secret ingredient. We're gonna let that boil and then we're gonna chop up a bunch of stuff for the finish. Yeah, you gotta boil that for probably about an hour. Let it get really tender. So now we've been simmering this for about an hour. The meat's getting nice and tender, and we're gonna add our hominy. So I add it with all the water into it because it adds that much more flavor. But usually I buy the big cans because you only need one instead of 10. Now that we've got all that hominy in there, we're gonna bring it back to a boil. We're gonna let it simmer for a while, soak up all that flavor. It's gonna be good.
Time to dish.
So you gotta get one of those pig's feet in there for sure. Oh yeah. Now we garnish.
The most important part.
So we've got a few of these radishes. Onions, cabbage, so it's very important.
And oregano for garnish. So Pat, how authentic is this?
This is absolutely authentic, minus the cilantro. My wife is absolutely gonna hate me for this. Just saying.
They don't usually put cilantro in there?
No, they do not. I love it. Want to kick it up a notch?
Add a little bit of hot sauce. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give us a like, subscribe for more videos if you enjoyed. Let us know what you think in the comments section below, and till the next one.
Peace out. We're going to do an authentic Mexican He did it.
Bendy spoon, you know.
Mind blown.